What's up, team? Fullest, this is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click of my canal. So today I'm here to do another AliExpress wig unboxing. If you guys want to see me wear this wig, follow me on my beauty channel at amifullest or follow me on Instagram. I'll try and come back and put like a short videos when I put on the wig. Right now I'm not going to install any of this wig because the weather is hot, and I just wear this wig that I purchased from AliExpress. This wig has no lace. You can just put it whenever you want to. So I prefer something like this right now than anything that I have to glue down. So all the wig that I have to glue down will actually have to wait because it's really hot. The sun is shining. I'm filming with daylight. You guys can see how beautiful the weather is, and having a lace front wig right now, it can be a little bit too uncomfortable right now. So I'm just gonna hold on and just keep wearing this. I've been obsessed with this wig since I purchased it. I've been wearing it every single day because it's just easy. You can just put it on and take it out whenever you want. So I purchased this hair from AliExpress. So it came in, delivery was very fast. This is the company that delivered the hair. It was very fast. So when you take it out of the plastic bag, this is what the box look like. So this is the hair company that I purchased the hair from. This is 100% human hair wig. So I got this in different colors. You guys know I always get like black. I'm trying to like even though I don't wear like all the colorful wig I have every single day, but I'm trying to just expand, to just get like other colors instead of getting only black. So that's what your girl did. So let's open the box. This is what the box looked like. When you open the box, this is what you see. You guys see that? This is what you see, and then you take the hair out. Okay, let's first do that, and then you get eyelashes and wig cap. And I love the fact that this wig cap is the darkest color, is brown. It's very easy. So this is what you get. I think I'm gonna throw the box away. So when you open the box, I'll show you guys the eyelashes and the wig cap. This is what the wig look like. The wig is 24 inches, 13 by 4 lace front wig, 180 density, and it's 24 inches. The color is brown, like a brownish. I will leave the link for you guys in the description box, so please check the description box. So when you open the wig, this is what you get. Take off this net, and then you take this inside. So this is what you get. Ooh, this is so, I like curly wigs. Curly wigs look really nice on me, so I'm like, you know, I want to get this one also, the same color, like straight one. But first I was like, okay, let me just get the curly one, and it feels so soft. And this is like brown. It's like a brown color. The color is really beautiful. Hopefully you guys can see the color very nicely. It's really beautiful. I really liked it. It's so nice. Like, I don't even need to, it doesn't really smell that bad, so I don't feel like I need to wash this wig. I'm just gonna like put it outside and let it hair dry, you know, like let it get some fresh smell. And I'm going to put like hair mousse on it. But I love how soft the curl is. I love how beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Really nice. So this is the wig when you look at it, and from the inside, the lace is kind of big. You get quite a decent amount of lace in the inside. So you get like 4 combs. You got 1 comb here at the side. You got 2 comb at the side each. You get 1 comb at the side each. You get 1 at the top, and you get one comb at the bottom. And you also got a little bit of lace at the back, and you also have like an adjustable elastic. You can add another elastic band if you want to for extra protection, but I don't. Actually, I don't. I'm not gonna do it, especially when I'm going to glue the wig down. I'm not gonna add any adjustable elastic anymore. I just love it the way it is like this. It's really beautiful. It's really nice. I love it. It's like jiggy. Baby, I know you love you. I can't wait to try it on. Let me just excuse my hair. This is what I've been dealing with, man. So let me put this one on for you guys so we can see how this look like. I am tired, so I'm exhausted. Don't feel like putting any glue wig right now. Just want to put something that I can take in. I can put and pull out at any time. But this is beautiful. Ooh, the cup fits perfectly. So this is what the wig will look like. You know, a little bit down. Oh, all the way down to my waistline. It's curly wig, so yeah. This is what it looks like. I really like it. Can I turn around, show you guys the back? It's really beautiful. The curls are so soft. Like, I don't know, the curls are really soft. They're really soft. It's really nice. I can't wait to see how this. I don't have a mirror here to see how this one looks on me, but I'm hoping that it looks nice. I really like it. So yeah, Team Fullest, this is it. Just a short video of me coming to show you guys this wig. Like, I have another black one that I'm going to also do an unboxing on separate videos, so we're gonna keep these videos as short as possible so I can show you guys all the wig. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving it. So yeah, this is it. Hopefully you all like this video. If you guys are interested on the links, I will leave it for you guys in the comment box. Check in the description box, sorry. Check the description box. Team Fullest, thank you all so much for your love and support. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten in de comment box. Of stuur me een WhatsApp bericht. Mijn telefoonnummer staat in de beschrijvingsbox. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box, or feel free to send me a WhatsApp message. My telephone number is in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you all so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye.